dum dum dum.
Hi, Mommy. May me have time to play computer game?
Yes, Cookie Yoki, but first, me working on our plan for the week. Would you like to help Mommy?
Okay, but what is plan for the week?
Oh, me make a plan that shows what our family is going to do this week and how much money we will need to spend to do those things.
Things like what?
Things like grocery shopping and doing our laundry at the laundromat, that's important. And getting our weekly bus pass so we can do things like get around town and go visit Grandma Cookie.
But why we want to make a plan?
Oh, well, when we have plan, we know all the things we need to do and how much money we can spend to do them.
Oh, okay, me understand now, Mommy. Can me add something to the plan?
Oh, well, let's see. What would you like to add, Cookie Yuki?
Me want to fly kite in park with Mommy, but me need kite.
Oh, look, we can fit a kite in our plan, see? We have the money for that. Mommy is going to add it right now.
Oh boy, this fun. You having fun too, Mommy?
Me am having fun. Me so glad we were able to make this part of our plan. Ha 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 ha.